Hi, my name is Fred Sweezer. I am a 203K consultant, and I'm going to talk about the underwriting process in buying a home. This is a certain kind of process, and you're going to hear a lot about underwriting. And um, this is important because some of the problems that you're going to be facing is dealing with a seller's market. And the key to success in a seller's market is time. And you need at least 60 days for the return on investment to work. And this is something that you're going to be doing for the first time, maybe the only time in life for a project of this magnitude. Purchasing a home for the first time, or refinancing, because the cycle is pretty much the same. And the first thing that you have to keep in mind with the underwriting process is being honest, blunt honest. When you're asked a question about, did you pay your light bill, did you miss a car payment, this is red flags to the underwriting process. And working with your loan officer or realtor in these aspects will save a lot of time in the underwriting process. You need a combination of a mortgage company, a 203K consultant, and a contractor that is willing to work within that time frame. Your seller is the key, but if you already own the property, there's more laxed time cycle with the process. You are considering a home as is, which means that you can't move in it right now, as opposed to all the other homes that your seller have been spending many weekends looking for you. Now, none of them live up to the standard. But now you see something with potential. Oh my goodness, I can do this, I can do that. So that's the kind of environment that the 203K renovation process is designed for. You to buy a property that have some problems. So you want to buy it. You need a little bit more money set aside because you only have X amount of dollars to fix it up. You go to all of these sites, but now you see that you can't afford a house that's already on the market, move in, but now you're going to consider this kind of loan. So you make an offer, but you can't make an offer at market value. And that's how you need a team to work with you to really get the home and the money you need to fix it just like you want it to be. So you make an offer. Well, you need a consultant to come in if you're going to be going FHA and urban housing development standards. You need her to come in and do a checklist, a 35-item checklist. What else is necessary? What else is needed money-wise? And this involves a contingency fund. If the house is, if the construction project is needing $250,000, $100,000, $50,000, whatever is needed, well, the consultant can help you with analyzing, making sure that the last minute money for the project is also included. His work write-up is very important for underwriting, and it has to be accurate. So we're experienced in making sure that this part of the process goes through smoothly. So that's where we come in as 203K consultants. We set up the contingency fund. But if the project involves extensive repairs, remodeling, and modification, you won't be able to live there. So you have to ask your lender for at least 6 months mortgage payment while all of this work is going on. Keep in mind that this is a one-time experience in life. And a project of this size, the one that you're reviewing now as I'm describing the underwriting process, that's a lot of things to think about. So you need a design process, you need an architect, you need a designer for all of the things that is going to happen. So you need to assess your needs, and the objective is to drive into a design process, and it's critical to determine your specific needs and objectives for the renovation project or room addition or whatever it might be. Consider structural and zoning requirements. Evaluate available space, define the design style, work with a designer or architect, lighting, electrical, plumbing consideration. So you have to analyze all of these things in a budget that will work. A new kitchen is one of the most rewarding gifts you can give yourself and your family. Out of your home, your kitchen is where late night talks are developed, homework sessions, casual celebrations happen naturally. It's where memories are made. Your kitchen is you and your loved ones, the soul as well as your bodies. So the return on investment, this is something you need to think about, as well as don't make it too personal. You have to keep things in the consumer environment as far as, well, if a buyer is going to buy this place, you know, if you put $150,000 into a $250,000 property, how's that going to work with someone that wants to buy it? So all of these things needs to be into consideration when you invest in renovation, remodeling, adding on. So all of those things are part of the process. Keep it simple. Your gooseneck, your sink, your fixtures. So you might be tired of these things, but if you put too many luxuries in, well, that's another consideration to analyze. So home remodeling, renovation, your 203K consultant can help you make sure that everything will be according to the health and safety standards as required by the 203K urban housing and development will work. This particular project was had a raised foundation, and this was something that wasn't part of the metrics of a normal renovation. So if that's something in your local environment, that might be something to consider. Call us. We can help you. We can't rush the process, but we can help you with your loan.